Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Papa. Let's go get an ice cream. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay. Okay. Keep walking. Come on. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look. Diving seabirds. Look at that. Get in there. Come here. Look at the bird.
Hey, yo!
Samantha, get in, Papa. Vamos. Get in. Come this way. Okay, go that way. Yeah, I see it. He's hungry. He's going to eat the shark.
They're eating fish. He's trying to look at it. The little panda. Okay, why are you looking at me first of all? He looks kind of weird.
I like that one. He's liking the water.
He's looking at me, Mom, actually.
I know.
Mommy, I want to get ice cream already.
Okay, stand right there so I can take a picture with the birds. Stay right there.